We'll guide you through how to count coloured cells in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's super useful to count coloured cells. To go and do this, right click in the ribbon in the top of Excel and you need to click on Customize the ribbon. Now on the right here, you need to scroll down and make sure Developer is ticked and click OK. Then click on Developer at the top and click on Visual Basic. You'll go and get this pop-up, go to the top left and click on Insert and click on Module. Now what you need to do is go and copy some text from the description of this video and you can then paste it in by pressing Ctrl V or right clicking and pressing paste. After you paste that in, you can then go and close off of it. Now what we can do is we've now added a custom function. So click on equals and you then can type in COUNTCOLOR. As you can see, we've now got this function here. I'll just press tab. And now what you need to do is go and select the cells you want to go and search the area for. So I'll go and select this column here, and then you need to go and put in a comma, and you then need to go and use a sample color. So in this case, I'm searching for this sort of pink red. So I'll select that. I'll then close the brackets and press enter. And just like that, it's now gone and counted them.